review the how to solve for the mean. We're looking at the mean, which is the average set of numbers. A data set is a collection of numbers measuring the same thing. And often when you see a set, you will see these symbols right here. We call them curly brackets. A sum is the addition of numbers. You already knew that, but I just wanted to review it. So steps for solving the mean. So this is my data set. I have 2, 5, and 8, which means there's 3 numbers in my data set. One being 2, second one being 5, third one being 8. The first thing we do to solve for mean is we add all of these values together. So 2 plus 5 plus 8 equals 15. And I have my 15 right there. My second step is to divide the sum by the number of data points in the set. Now, we already said that there was 3. So I'm going to take 15 and I'm going to divide it by 3. And I'm actually going to highlight this also for you so you can kind of see where I'm getting the numbers. 15 divided by 3 is 5. So that means the mean is equal to 5. So how I want you to do it. So this is my practice using the exact same data set I provided. So we have 2, 5, and 8. So my first question is how many numbers in the data set? So I have 2, that's 1. 5, that's 2, and 8, which is 3. So I have 3 numbers in my data set. Now we solve for the mean using our steps. So we add all the numbers, 15, and we divide that numbers by how many. And then we say what is the data set. So let's look at, so number 1 is my example. So I'm going to skip number 1. I'm going to go right to 2. So how many numbers in my data set? Well, I see 1, 6, and 11. So that is 3. And I'm going to solve for mean now. So I'm going to take 1 plus 6 plus 11, which equals 1 plus 6 equals 7. 7 plus 8. 11 is 18. And then I'm going to take my 18, and I'm going to be very picky. I want my equation. So 18 divided by 3 equals, well, 18 divided by 3 is 6. So the mean for this data set is 6. Looking at 3, I gave you a little more of a challenge. I gave you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values. And now I'm going to solve for mean. So that means adding them all up. So 5 plus 10 plus 10 plus 15 plus 25 plus 45. And that all equals, if I use the calculator, 100. 100, whoopsies, divided by, so in this case, I'll just do this to show division, 5 equals 20. That means this mean is 20. That's it. You guys got this. Don't forget, first find the number of numbers in your data set, and that's what you're dividing by after you add them.